YouTube channel, and today we are special doing a DIY with Dreamstar and special guest here. We have, let's welcome Madam Zoe here. And as we already know, DIY with Linda, this is Linda, yes. So today's special, we have a special DIY for you. It's all about CATS, cats. So we're gonna do DIY for cats, and I already bought some Geyser products for cats. It's something like this. So basically, you are doing DIY handicraft for cat hat. So this is cat hat with the orange, and we also have the cat hat with the police hat. So of course, after doing this DIY, we have some runway show to put on our DIY hat. So first thing first, do subscribe and like our channel for see more upcoming video next with DIY Diana Dreamstar. So let's begin. So what you need for this is some of this. We open up. They already show you need a glue gun, scissors, and marker. Yeah. So we have our scissors here. Marker. Do you have marker? So we open up. So in the orange thing, we have the orange paper. What's it called? Well, white and green. So they also have instruction here, so you can follow the instruction. But it's in Japanese. But we can see from there, they mentioned that you need to make the main part of the Mandarin. Oh, so they have the drawing here. Drawing here, yeah. So we're gonna. Oh, so is it like this? Trace it. So we're gonna. Oh, that's why we need to have the.
This is the template
marker. Hold on.
Yeah, you just cut here using the template here.
Oh.
Use the scissor.
Short form. Scissors.
Use the scissor. Use the template.
Come.
Cut.
Yes, you do. What about you, Linda? What is the handicraft do?
This one is conductor hat. And conductor hat and a bow tie.
Wow. So we already cutting out the outline. So.
Got to glue it here.
Yeah. Tengah-tengah tu macam begini.
So how to make this thing close like that?
Lipat.
So the end product of this, glue it together. Then we're gonna make it like this and this and this. I don't know how, but we will try. Okay, we are left with this one, this leaf.
This one green.
Nak marker ke apa ke? So it's like this. Macam overlapping. Okay, we try. Let's do it using the hot glue gun. So you can have this hot glue gun you can buy it from popular bookstore or any ABC store would surely have sell this cheap good. So example yeah. So we put, how do I do? Is it press? Is it press, Sherry?
Yep.
Put it like that. Just a little bit. And then, oh, panas. So you glue the first one. Then you take another one and glue it over here. Take piece by piece. We try. So the leaf we can put on top of the orange, something like that. Something like that.
Who do you think you're talking to?
What does it look like?
Huh?
What? Can you get me out? That is when you can take a picture.
You need to take evidence on the lease. Put a choke chain on that home and yank it.
There we are, our end product. Something like this. So we're going to make something like that. Since we already have the white cloth, so I'm gonna do, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pipe seats.
Panas. Bukan itu.
Panas, eh? So you can just create this yourself, these small seats, and I'm gonna cut it. So we already created DIY hats from Daiso. Linda, maybe you want to show your item?
I have done the conductor hat.
Oh my god.
It is very tricky. It's not perfect, but it's a hat nonetheless.
Yes. At least we did it together. But I'm so excited for the end product because, of course, we are doing it for the cat hat. To test out the product, we need to put on the cat hat on it.
Cat.
Yeah. So maybe you want to introduce the artist cat for a day. What's their name?
We have 4 potential, but all of them are sleeping.
Okay. First model of the day is?
First model of the day. I think the orange one can go on Pepsi because he has orange eyes.
Who's excited to see our cats? Raise up your hands.
Yay.
Yes. No, just let's try it on. And then we also have a special bonus video.
Special bonus video. Ooh la la.
Like what?
Like wearing the clothes. Fashion walk.
Wearing the...
The cat won't walk or just lie down on the floor.
So this is again the product item, the cat police hat and the mandarin hat.
Okay, introduce, this is Pepsi. Hi everybody. Dengan orange dia, mata dia sama. The orange eyes. Okay. Okay, this is
Wow. Cute lah.
okay.
So this is the end product.
This is
Mandarin.
what is that?
Oh,
This
nice.
is the bow.
Oh, wait, tampak.
The bow. The bow.
Cute, so cute.
Okay, attention. Oh, 1, a 2, a 3. Okay, stand up.
Sekejap je lah. Okay, product. Alright, Mr. Policeman. There you go. Policeman, look behind.
Okay, this is Phoenix. Phoenix the cat. Sit down, Phoenix.
Ini dekat.
Okay, let me see whether this one nice or not. Oh, not so nice. Doesn't look nice on you, Phoenix. How about this one?
Macam what?
The costume, please.
Nak ada sama dengan ini ya? Apa ni konduktor dia? Dia pakai topi ni.
Sorry, itu ada sikit.
But you are a girl, Nini Kirsch.
We dress up our cat.
Cukup ke korang ni?
Phoenix, kita mami, please don't.
Kita boleh sikit, okey lah. Wow.
Wah, Nini Kirsch. Sudah lah. Aku dah tak boleh menang. Aku dah... There's nothing I can do now. It's 3 versus 1.
So now it's all about.
Ooh, dress number
ABC
1.
Nini Kirsch.
Lah. Kena tak depan.
Dia diam.
Oh, look good.
This is Teddy. A smart cat. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I'm a moon sailor. I'm a pilot.
What's up?
I'm everything you with a hat.
What's up? I'm a moon sailor. My name is Phoenix. Phoenix the cat. Okay, Hari Raya datang. Christmas Day. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay, Teddy Babushka.
You try this orange cat. Orange hat.
Teddy.
So this is the end product. Really test out with our cats. And where's the orange?
That's where it gets new.
Oh, here, the orange here. And you can actually have this DIY creation fun buy from Miss Daiso. So you can get this. This is just $2. So you can have this fun activity with your family or friends, and then you test it out with your cats. So it's actually very fun indeed, and it's very funny. Maybe we ask from Madam Zoe, how do you find this activity for today?
Activity is good, especially this cute cat. Wanna wear it?
Yes. Then we add on with their dress and matchy. So it is fun indeed and
Cat
very
gonna love it.
very cute.
Cat gonna love it.
funny moments. So thank you for joining again with Diana Dreamstar, and do like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. We see you again. Bye bye.
Bye, Teddy.
He didn't go, you know.
And then you will see more. You will see. Why you kill me?
Hello everybody, hi five. My name is Pepsi, okay? I don't like hand, but because my mommy make for me, I will do it. I told you dia macam, dia meronta. I can put inside my ear here, okay? Or I put slanting over here. How about that?
Actually, you should wear this one, you see.
Okay.
Bow tie.
Now this is the police hat. Bang!
Diam pula. Bestara. Abs. Alah, dia nak manja.
This is a police hat.
I live.
Pepsi here.
Pepsi here to showcase
Hello
our
everybody.
product.
I'm Pepsi, the model for today.
So